This is Last Place Bear.
And what do you have with you today?
This.
This is the Animal Planet Mega Dino Tub from Toys R Us. It contains 20 dinosaurs, 2 volcanoes, 12 rocks, 6 trees, and 1 playmat.
The other dinosaur is missing. The skin color one is missing.
But what we have is a mixture of what's supposed to be in here
Dinosaurs.
and other dinosaur toys as well.
And rocks.
And he just wants to show
and
you
then
them.
rocks and trees.
Alright, so show us what comes in there
Okay.
and what you put in there.
There's rocks.
These are the rocks that come with it. Ew. Okay.
And then there's trees. These are the trees that come with it.
These are the trees that come with it.
And then these are the dinosaurs that come with it.
The dinosaur that came with it. Really nice.
Okay. Now let's get started.
And him and his brother play with these all the time together, right?
But we can't find the playmat though.
Yeah, it's okay.
You can find it.
Yeah, it's made out of like paper. Dun 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 dun.
And then which is we got
Dun dun dun. From the Good Dinosaur, right?
the bug. But look what it does.
Yeah. Oh, he ate his head. He bit his head off. Yeah.
I have little boy.
Yeah.
But he broke.
Yeah.
But we can fix him.
Yeah. This is Thunderclap, the crazy guy who wants to eat the critters.
He wants to eat the. He thought the little boy was critter.
Here is a little dinosaur.
From Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, he's like a baby one. And then he's got this giant baby dinosaur here.
It's a beanie baby dinosaur. He's so cute.
Hunter praises him all the time because he's cute. More rocks.
And more rock. Another rock. Another rock.
And then we got.
Let's show them something they didn't see. Dinosaur.
I think that's Raptor or T-Rex.
This is also from Jurassic Park?
Yeah, it's Spinosaurus.
I don't know.
See, yeah, it's Spinosaurus.
Okay. Oh, I'm dropping him.
Spinosaurus.
His mouth opens. Hold on, let me get that.
And then he can move his. He can move his tail, or his feet, or his mouth, or he can move his spine a little bit.
Okay. What else do you have, Dean?
Okay.
We have this dinosaur.
Got Reptar.
Reptar.
And then we got this. I think it's Jurassic Park one.
Yeah, it is. It's a Jurassic Park one. His dad gave him this guy.
And we got
This guy. He's gonna eat you guys.
and then we got
We got this little girl T-Rex from the Good Dinosaur.
and then we got this.
And we got this guy. He's gonna eat you guys.
And then he gets a rock.
Another rock. Another beautiful tree.
There's hair on it.
Oh.
Then we got
This guy who's also gonna eat you guys. And then we got this guy who eats trees and plants.
and he eats grass. And which is we got this.
So we got a lizard.
Yeah. He's gonna slap you. He's gonna slap you guys.
Oh, he's gonna slap you guys. Oh, his tail. Oh.
He's a slapping desert lizard. And then
Then we got this really cool guy. He's scary.
he's a T-Rex. Alright, this one's gonna.
Then we got
This one that eats trees. This one eats trees.
Yep.
And grass and plants. This one eats grass and trees.
He's a color changer. If you put him in cold water, he'll turn what color? Blue?
No, he turns dark green.
Dark green?
Mhm.
Okay. This is a egg hatching dinosaur. You put it in the water and the dinosaur hatches from its egg. This is Reptilius Maximus from Toy Story.
Yeah,
Really
Toy Story
cool.
dinosaur. This one's a Toy Story dinosaur.
I forgot. Something that time forgot.
I want to get the time from before landing ones.
The boat. Okay. Here is Arlo. He screams all the time, right? He's scared of everything. Ah!
Yeah, he's scared of bisons.
I want him to scream. Hold on. Ah!
He's scared of bisons, Mom.
Yeah.
He's scared of everything that tries to.
Those little chickens.
Chickens.
Trees. What else we got?
And another tree.
Another tree.
Yeah, but there's two.
There's two on there, yes.
There's two on this tree.
Okay. One,
Two trees.
two.
And then we got. What's his name?
Good dinosaurs.
This is a boy.
Yeah. Boop, boop, boop.
And then this one is a boy too.
From, yeah, Toy Story.
And then.
From the box. This came with the set. Really nice dinosaur. Here,
Pokemon dinosaur.
Pokemon dinosaur. Dun 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 dun.
I'm gonna destroy you.
No. Ah. And we got this guy. He's all like, everybody needs to protect me. We got this guy.
He's brown. And then we got a green one. And then which is we got?
This is the brother?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think he is. Oh my, this one needs he needs his fixed. He needs his belly fixed.
Oh, well, this is his outer layer skin. And it shows you their bones underneath.
And then,
It's
you want
pretty
me to show
cool.
you his boneheads?
Sure.
Want me to show him his bonehead? His head of his bone? Want me to show him the head? Alright, how do I take this off?
You're supposed to do it. Show me. You got it?
I almost. And then we got,
A skeleton.
and we almost got him out there.
I can't see him.
You have to take him out of there.
It's okay, just show us the head.
He needs to be took out. I want them to see the leg.
Just pull it off.
Okay.
It's taking way too long. Hold the dinosaur,
Okay.
and I'll pull it. No, hold the dinosaur, the bones. Well, here's the bones. Because clearly, okay.
And then clearly you have to take it. I want them to show them the skin too.
Okay, so here's the bones. It turns into a skeleton.
And then the head can move the bone head.
And
here's the bones. And then here's the skin.
it's all like floopy.
The skin is all floopy, like, I'm gonna close you inside me. And then we got Spinosaurus, he's gonna eat you. This one's gonna eat you. And then this one's gonna eat as well.
Yep.
And then this one can wag his tail a little bit because he's broken.
Yep.
He can wag his tail. Look, he can wag his tail.
Yes, he can.
This one, he's a color changer.
And it's a color changer.
And this one, good dinosaur.
This is their dad, T-Rex.
But what happened to the mom?
I have no idea. There's their food.
That's not food, that's bison.
There's the rock. That's what they like to eat. The T-Rex.
No, they like
And this is his pawpaw. I think it's the pawpaw.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of looks like the brother, but I don't know. Okay. You're right, though. Oh, we're all finished. What do you say?